In this video, we will be taking a look at how you can activate your product key for Microsoft Office 365 or Microsoft 365, whatever it's called, because they keep changing the name. This is how you can activate your product key very easily. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is click on the link that's in the description below to head on over to Microsoft.com. Once you're on Microsoft's website, this is the part now when you need to decide what account you want to activate the Microsoft 365 product key onto. So all you need to do is click on sign in the top right hand corner of the website. You now need to enter in your email address. So like I said, this is going to be the account that is going to have access to all the applications that Office 365, I keep calling it Office 365, but it's now Microsoft 365, apps on. Obviously, if you have a family product key, then other users in your household will also have access to the apps. So I'm now going to go ahead and sign into my Microsoft account. So once you've signed into your Microsoft account, you now need to click on the second link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. So you now need to click on next, ensure that you've got the correct account name there and email that you signed into that you want to activate Microsoft 365 onto. So we now need to enter in our product key. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Once you've entered in the product key, you then need to wait a few seconds and you now need to select your region. So I've got United Kingdom selected, which is correct, and you then need to click on next. If everything has gone well, you will now have a window that looks like this, asking you to confirm, and you can also turn on recurring billing. So I don't actually want to do this, so I'm going to toggle this to off. You now need to click on confirm, and you then need to click on confirm again if you're happy with everything. So I'm absolutely happy with all the agreements and all the changes that I've done, so I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm. And again, if everything goes well, this should then say successful in the second, so just give it a few seconds. And boom, there we go. Success, you've just renewed Microsoft 365. So if you now go ahead and open up Microsoft Word, it should say that your license is activated. So at the top here, you can see it just says Word, so it's now detected that I've reactivated Microsoft 365. If yours says unlicensed, then just give it a couple of minutes for your computer to connect to the server to find out that it is definitely activated. So it can take a few minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like the video, click the like button below. And if you want to see more computer sluggish videos, then click the subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.